TikTok. Y'all check out their YouTube channel. Look Out Racing. Look out, look out. Don Hayes from TikTok, look out. Okay, truck sounding good. We got Hunter from TikTok, look out Hunter. No full pass. No full. Diamond say no full pass, y'all. Y'all think Diamond right? Oh, he belong at XRP? She say he belong at XRP. Let's go see if she knows what she talking about. Let's see if she knows what she talking about, y'all. No full pass. Okay, full pass. Tuned by Caesar. Got Jet in the building. Sean Shields. Sean Shields in the building from TikTok. Nearby, y'all. Brian Rodriguez. Jason Estep. What's that? Yeah, Jason Estep. D Nearby from TikTok. Juan Santana. Look out, Juan. All my new people from TikTok, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. You know, right next to that. Jesus Jimenez from TikTok. Chris Ward. Look out, look out. And I'll be live mostly every Thursday, every Sunday, sometimes Friday, sometimes Saturday. Y'all check me out. Hit that subscribe button. Stand on the floor. I looked at him. Stand now. He's in the move. Move your car, dude. You gotta move your car. Justin Underwood from TikTok, y'all. All my TikTokers, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Hit the you know, the little bell gonna be right by it. Go on, click that and put it on all. Yeah, make sure you get that little bell.
Man, Omar's supposed me out too much, man.
Yeah.
I want another level.
Gustavo Rodriguez. Pass. No full pass. He didn't even let the light come on to get his time. He just. What happened? Yeah, you said it right. Diamond said it right. She said it right, y'all. She thinks she knows something, y'all. Little Diamond thinks she knows something because she called one race. Yeah, she called one race. She thinks she know everything.
I can bet motherfuckers now.
Oh yeah.
100 on this side.
Okay. Let's see what she knows. She don't know nothing, y'all. She don't know nothing. They say Diamond getting sassy. Okay.
I'm the same nigga I was last time.
Oh, she said she the same, y'all. Little small block, little 4-cylinder. Let me see if they move my car up real quick, y'all. Yeah, I got the sticker over here. It's coming. Let me go get you that sticker. Yeah, I'm finna go get it and bring it to you. Yeah, 5-point Buddha say she acting brand new. She done got her lashes put in. That's how they be getting, fool. Trying to tell you. Dude, you have to move your freaking car.
You gotta move your car.
Move your car, dude. I'm sick of saying it. I'm freaking sick of saying it, man. Move your car. It's not that hard. Just keep it up. Do you know Limpy? Oh, you do? That's a bad motherfucker, man. That's my homeboy. Believe it or not. Believe it or not, that's my homeboy. Limpy. My partner now. Jolie. Man. Let me find out my lookout stickers, y'all. What is a full pass considered? When you see a car run a record breaking number, you know how that sounds. You know what it takes to break a record. Trying to